everyone, welcome back to How Tutors. And in this video I am gonna share with you uh, how you can put your display name in line. Okay, so if you set already, then you can change it later. So how can you do this? Watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So go to your Line Messenger app. So I'm just gonna click here. This is the interface of Line Messenger. So now go through here, you can see it's called icon, setting icon. Just click here, top right corner, and then click profile. Okay, so profile, so click on your profile, and then here you can see the option display name. So just click display name, then you can see here, when you created your account, that time you just put your name there, but if you want to change it later, then you can easily change it in here. So I'm just write something Ragib Noor, and then click save. Yeah, it is created perfectly and successfully. Okay friend, today is Noman. Thank you for watching this video.